This video will show you how to replace the camshaft position sensor on a Ford Edge with a 3.5 liter engine. This will be located along the driver's side of your engine. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To gain access to the sensor, we're going to take hold of our coolant tube. We're going to lift this up. Now while I hold this up, I can see that I have a wiring harness leading down along the driver's side of the engine. We're following the small wiring harness here. This is what leads to the camshaft position sensor. Clearly, there's a lot of dirt in this application. Now that I have that disconnected, a quick inspection for miscellaneous debris or corrosion. This looks good, so let's set it aside. We're continuing on with our 8mm headed mounting bolt. That's right down here. Now you can push the wiring harness out of the way as necessary. The next thing we have to do is take hold of the camshaft position sensor. Rock it in one direction and the other, attempting to twist it. We want to break it free. Now typically you can't just reach down in this area. I just want to show you what I'm talking about, so I'm using an angled pick. Once you do have movement, as I do here, it should be broken free well enough that we can carefully pull it out towards the driver's side. There it is, friend. Now, prior to installation of any brand new part, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. So we're looking at the circular port where the camshaft position sensor makes its way inside the engine. We need to make sure there's no miscellaneous debris, and of course we're also focusing on that bolt port. We're not using any type of detergent here, which might make its way into the oil system. Just a clean rag should do. Now it's time for installation of the brand new camshaft position sensor. You'll find that I applied clean motor oil to the sealing ring. Now I'm sliding the sensor in towards the engine. I'm paying attention to my electrical connector and my mounting bolt port. Looking at this, it's not aligned properly. Let's go ahead and twist it so it looks like it's aligned, and we'll continue on with our mounting hardware. Before we can install the hardware, you need to make sure you're completely bottomed out up against the engine. If you did not have it pressed in and you tighten your hardware, you could break your sensor. We have our mounting bolt. For this, we're going to start it in. We'll bottom it out. The torque for this is 89 inch-pounds. I have it started in. Let's continue on. It's bottomed out. Torque wrench. Let's double check to make sure that's secured. It should not move around in any way. After that, continue on to that electrical connector. Now we've already inspected the electrical connector. Let's go ahead and line this up. We're going to press it in and listen for an audible click. There we go. There's our click. And it's secured in place. One last quick inspection in this area. Let's start bringing our coolant hose back down into the proper positioning. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our camshaft position sensor. If you had a check engine light, go ahead and reset that. After, start the vehicle, let it run. Make sure you have no running condition, no check engine light, close the hood, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.